everybody? Pro Trader Mike. How's everybody doing? Nice to see you. Hope you had a great trading day today. Hope you had a nice yesterday and the weekend. Amron has been incredible with the trading. And let me show you how we did trading that in the MOJO Day Trade room and what the swing picks are all about, because that's one of the topics of today's show as well. Scoot on over. So it's pretty amazing, guys. Yep, swing picks there, Mr. Jimbo. Sick, thank you, sir. Absolutely, I'm Pro Trader Mike. So let me show you what we got going on. I like this screen right here. See how this thing, I did a post. It's like, yo, look at all those things going, dropping, posted on the blog. I like that. That's Tumblr. When you post on Tumblr, get rid of that. And I'll show you what we did. So, you know, a lot of day trade rooms, there's some cool guys doing videos, some non-cool guys doing videos. Everyone seems to be doing videos on day trading, but I've been doing videos for a very long time. Let me see if my website got updated. It did. Let's check it out. Let me open up a browser. Flip it over here on my third monitor. Open up my day trade room. Scoot on over to the third monitor. So right here, basically watch me trade live as the rest of the MOJO Day Trade room follows my picks. After watching a few of my videos, ask yourself if you could make money following my picks, and then just join here. And actually, I have a bunch of the videos right up here. This is yesterday's. And you can scroll. There's 1,700 videos. 6 years worth of videos. $30,000 UV day right there. So I'd check out some of these videos. You watch any 5 of these, and then you make a decision where you want to be spending your days and your money, and how much money you're leaving off the table by not trading and being my partner on the MOJO Day Trade team in the room. Most day trading rooms, what they do is the moderator picks 1 or 2 stocks with him and his group. If he has more than one moderator in the room, the moderators get together in a private channel that you don't know about, the staff channel, the whatever channel, and they do their game plan for the day, and they say to themselves, look, let's jump in on, they have a scanner where it runs gaps on small float stocks that trade some okay volume, and then they know they can take a position. Then the market will open, and or they call it to their room. A lot of people will come in and buy it. They'll get out. It's called front running. They'll get out with a profit. Some other people may make money, but the majority of the people lose. And that's what happens with that. So I'll show you some other guys are making up a lot of stories out there, getting into trouble. I watched a video yesterday with a guy's stock. He halted with the stock. It was one of the most volatile stocks in the market. It opened up and went higher. He made money, but it could have opened up and went lower, and he would have lost probably his whole entire account. Consider that luck. Same thing happened today. So another video, tremendous losses and or AK losses, because nobody has a system really. Everybody has a strategy, and strategies really don't work. Think about it this way. Is when you go to the casino and you're sitting there and you got pocket aces, you want to play that hand. Is that the strategy? Playing the pocket aces or the pocket kings? Think about it. Think. Everyone's saying yes. That's the strategy. Definitely. Let some people see if they can answer that. We got a bunch of people watching. So if I gave you pocket aces or pocket kings, every single hand you came down at the table, would that be a nice strategy? Travana, new swing pick at high 217. New swing trip, swing pick, Travana, 217. So not a lot of people want to participate in the chat, unfortunately. But I'm sure many people will watch this after. So you're wrong. Ace, ace, and king, king, or getting an amazing trade, or thinking you know your chart action or this and that, is not a strategy. Nope. Nope. Let me tell you what it is. What happens when you get ace, ace? How are you going to bet? You're going to push all your chips in, say I'm all in. Everyone's going to fold at the entire table. You just won the ante, 0. You look at your aces and you go, all right, I don't really have anything. Check. And the guy bets in front of you, and you're like, nice. I'm going to crush him. You're thinking in your head. He doesn't know I have pocket aces. So I'm just going to call him because see what he bets on the next one. So I call, and then another guy calls. And, now I got 2 people I could beat. So now the next card comes, and the guy, I check, and the guy bets out bigger. Okay? And then this guy folds, and I call him, and then the next hand he goes all in, and I win all the money. Because that's the strategy. The system was playing pocket aces or pocket kings, and everyone gets it wrong. Watch everybody's video. They're slowly changing it. I have a proprietary system I've built and this and that now because I've been preaching this for a long time. I have 1,500 videos. So if you take 5 days a week times 4 weeks times 12 months, that's 240 videos a year if you do one a day. I've done 1,500, 1,600 videos, 1,700. 1,700 videos divided by 240 is 7 years. I've been doing it a long time, got a lot of live trading videos. And you can definitely see those on my website, MOJODayTrading.com, and scroll through. There's an arrow right here, and just look, so many. It's undeniable, the transparency. It's undeniable. And there's a lot of great education and entertainment. And I would consider, the grass ain't greener on the other side. There's level 2. When all them weed stocks were going crazy last August. These are amazing videos. So I would recommend watching 3 or 4 of them and then joining. Everybody that joins is going to want to become a pro trader. The average pro trader has been with me for 4 years. I was going through MOJO University. Right here. Showing this guy before. He just signed up today for the online course. I'm going to be teaching a live class. So here's what he signed up for today. New guy right here. This is Trader Kaz right here. And I called him on the telephone. Whoa, I want to show his number. And I called him on the phone, spoke to him about MOJO U, did a payment plan for $500 for 3 payments. He signed up. There's my number. And taught him the system. He just signed up today. So I brought him through MOJO University right here in the classes. This is one he's going to start with, October. Right here, level 1. Some of my latest comments. Excellent intro. Thanks, George, 9 days ago. George just watched the most recent one. Level 2. Come on. There we go. Code. Sorry about that. Comment. Awesome. Awesome class, Mike. Like human nature explanation. Level 2 class. Awesome. Level 3. A lot of meat. Thanks. These are my most recent comments. Awesome class 10 days ago. 9 days ago, eye opener. Thank you. You're awesome. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks for the great training. 5th view of this class session of MOJO U. Every time I see it, I catch another aha. You guys got to leave more comments, man, when you watch these videos. You know that. And I have all these classes right here. One from class 4 from this class. Awesome class on the Hines. Wow. I'm coming back to this video over and over. Great plays with names to help us remember, learning the rail grind. Lots to digest. Great stuff. Amazing, amazing rundown of the plays. I love the rail grind. Love that. This is the MOJO U, my last class right up here in June of 2018. Awesome. So this is MOJO U. Let's watch one of these videos. Class 6. 1 hour and 24 minutes. This class, I'm going over the Hines move right here. And then I'd add it right there at 95. Always have that large ass. And then I get paid. Okay. This is what I teach. 1, 2, and 3, baby. And I would make $1,000. 1, 2, and 3, baby. You want to learn this system? 1, 2, and 3. The strategy is how to buy and sell it along the way. That's the action. So let me show you what we got going on also with the website and my swing picks. I got to talk about the topic of the day. Day trading. I've run my newsletter for 7 years. 95% accuracy for 7 years. Here's the swing trade newsletter. Let's look at a couple if you wouldn't mind. Click on this little image right here. Sorry. Just go to my website right here. Go back. You go to mojodaytrading.com. And right on the right side right there, you'll see the newsletters right here. Swing trade newsletter. And you'll see a bunch of them. Just click on it. It'll open up. So here's Tuesday, September 10th. And what I want you to do is I want you to go through the newsletters, look at the date I sent them out, read what I said, look at the stock, the risk reward, look where I picked it, and see where it is today. NIHD, September 10th, 15 days ago at 539. NIHD today, high 583. This morning, high 634 pre-market. Check it out, NIHD. Let's look at the next one. GEMP. Going to make a move on September 6th from 225 and head up on September 6th. You see the date. So if we go back to the screen, and here's NIHD today. You can see this morning it went to 630 right there, 634. This is today. You could see it. High today, 583, but in the pre-market it did. And GEMP on September 6th. So GEMP made a move right here, you could see, on September 7th to 265. Where did I pick GEMP? I just showed it to you. Right there for a move at 225. So the next day, from that green bar, it went up again. So notice the two greens right there. These are them right here. See, here's the one green and then the next one. And I nailed it within this day to go up the next day, and it went up beautifully. Okay? That's how I want you to look at those. And then you got let's go to the next one. And they're all, that was all this month. It goes back the last year and so forth. Here's went out of order. AMDA at 46 cents. Actually, AMDA is one of the biggest winners today. Look at this one from August of 2017. Okay? It's now September of 2018. AMDA, AMDA. Let's see what AMDA is one of the biggest winners recently. AMDA is 26 cents. It did go to, oh, that's GEMP. Here's AMDA. AMDA, $6.93 in October. $6. And here it was in the 46 cents. July 2003 of 2018, Jiva at 430 on July 3rd. Jiva, 430 on July 3rd. Let's take a look. Jiva, right here on July 3rd. So you have August, July. 12th was 477. July 3rd. So we got this drop down, and then the two bars, and then it went up to 483 from 437. Not that much. You could see right here, this was the pick. It went red, red, the gap, and then two. Red, red, the gap, and the two. And here it is, the red, red, the gap, and the two. But it really didn't go up that much off 437. But I picked it to go up here earlier for 10 points. That one's coming up as well. His rewalk hasn't made its move yet. Sunday, August 19th, we're still in it. July 17th, here's AQXP, beautiful. CLNE, that's what the Heinz is all about. ADOM, HTBX, INPX, VKTX, Blink. Look, eBio 180 to 280. That's the one we had just done. This one may do the same. Imagine getting the pick eBio from 180 to 280. Look, trying hard to make something happen. Play for one direction through two. I would be in anticipation of 190 and then add through two. And here's the news. And it went from 180 to 280. You can see that's Friday, April 20th. And that's May 1st. So it made a huge move from April 20th to May 1st. And here's April 9th from the VOSAC at 8 cents. Huge stocks, NVCN. I think NVCN also made a sick move just recently. It's $2.72. There it's 8 cents. Right now it's $2.72. It made a huge move in the last 3 days on a reversal. Amazing swing picks. Nvidia, that was April 9th of 2018. Here's April 19th. AYTU, going to go retest the top of that one right there. And that's 59 cents by 60 cents coming out of a base. AYTU. AYTU is $2.67 right now. Right here, AYTU. See, it came up out of the base, did a beautiful move. That's what I'm talking about with my picks. Look at another one right here. Here's CPST on April 5th of 2018. Let's go to April 5th of 2018. CPST right here in April. May right here made a huge move right here on April 12th at $1.85. $1.85. Where did I pick it? Less than that. $1.43. So it went up 40 cents from that move right there. Better ask somebody. Riot Blockchain. This was a bounty trade play, which I'm doing right now on DGAS. Same thing. Let's catch the bottom here for a bounty trade play on March 29th on Riot. March 29th on Riot. So let's go to March 29th on Riot. April, May, March 29th. It was off this red bottom right there at 683. Stock rocketed it up in 3 days to 660, then made a move up to 864 on Riot, R-I-O-T, on that one. And guys, every time you should subscribe, because when I go live, you'll get an email and a notification that I went live, so you can catch the video. Just click down here on the bottom right and click that little bell, and you'll be able to subscribe. So now I got this Riot, showed you how I did the bounty trade play, and I got that going on DGAS right now. Here's NSPR, TROV on the breakout, looking beautiful. LTBR, Hive, BIOC, NIHD again, NNXTD, Lenu, Acre, Netlist. This is a beautiful move. Netlist, look, 35 cents. Netlist has been one of the biggest winners in the last week or two. Crazy. NLST right there. Check it out. See, the stock's gone nuts in the last couple of days. Up here at $1.10. See that? That's what NLST's done right here in the last couple of days. It's rocking today as well. IPWR, Herb, American Green with the marijuana stocks. Right here, this is when Bitcoin started flying. Single Point, Pavum, Rice Bran, beautiful. This is Tatron, FTFT, Bitcoin Services picked at 6, 300% winner on Bitcoin Services, Friday, November 17th. Check out all these picks, folks. They're the most phenomenal newsletter, and I've been doing it since 2012. Here's every one of them. Boom, for the last 70 of them. Go knock yourself out. 90% win rate, average holds like 17 days, and average gains like 18%. It's been amazing. Many, many years of this stuff. So right underneath the video, as I put the link to subscribe, and for $99, you can get the newsletter and come to the chat room. Chat room's looking hot to trot as well. Here's Turvan, New swing right there. Here's DGAS right here. New swing pick in the bottom at $17.99 for what I call the bounty trade play. The greatest bounty ever. Person. Health voice recording. Swing pick emailed, going to be a nice one. Yep. And we traded Ameren in the last couple of days. I'm up right now. All I got's TV. I got 5,000 shares of TV. I made 1,160. I'm up 1,610. The market was up earlier. We played it for a downturn. I told everyone I'm selling the close on UV on my last Hines through 25. It's 25.93 average right now, as I have on TVIX. And TVIX is 26.27 right now. It did make a spike up here earlier, but I didn't sell it because I plan on heading it through 27. And that's what I got. So I was up more. Now I'm up 1160. I made 3,340 on NBEV and 1,105 on Ameren today, for a total gain of $5,605 and an unrealized profit of $1,460. I've been doing this for 25 years, folks. So I know what it is to be a day trader and what to look for and how to appropriately proceed and teach others the same sort of system. And I'm looking to build myself a team of knowledgeable, other great traders, people that can be instructors, and people that could spread the word. Because, man, if I can go to a casino and I could say, hey, snap my fingers and everyone gets pocket aces and wins on my system trade, the profit system, dude, there's hundreds of casinos all over the world, and I'm only in one. So I got to help other people, get other people to be able to go in and do the same thing I'm doing, so they could snap their fingers with everyone and give everyone a chance to reap the rewards of what I got going on with my system. I do it on the day trading side and the swing trading side. Like I said, watch 5 of my videos, any 5, over the 1,800 I've done. 80% of them I'm trading live, giving a live trade before I'm in the stock. Now, hey, look, I'm up $1,900 in TVIX, guys. Let me show you how I bought it. Okay, it was all the way down here, and I scooped it up on the bottom, and it was a moving average divergence with an MACD. Let me do some data configures. Hold on. Let me put in a study. Let me throw in a moving. Let me do this. And it crossed this, and now I'm hot rodding this, and look at me go, and yeah, oh, this is how you trade, and there you go. Look, I'm up $2,160 on real. I've already made 1,000. Dude, that's bullshit. Anyone can do that, dude. Look, you dive in the pool. Hey, I'm in the pool already. Well, let me see before you went in the pool, Bubba. Bullshit. Bullshit. Had 10,000 shares. That's how I booked the 1,100. But now I'm up 2460, 2410. They got another than an hour and change before this. I want it to go up 1.5%. It's up 0.23. That's how I trade the ETF. You don't know that, but I teach in MOJO University that. So add 1% to this on a $26 stock is 26 cents. So that's going to put it at 270. And then it's going to go up another point, another 20 cents and put it at 26.90. And then it's going to go through 27. And then tomorrow go 28.29. Be up 2 points. Hold 500 or 1,000 shares overnight for a swinger. Tom's doing that in my room. That's what we got now. It's amazing. Only like 11 people watching my video. I go to these other guys that don't know what the shit hell they're talking about, showing you, don't do this because I just lost on this, or I almost just lost on this big, and don't do this, and this thing didn't work out for me, and that. And they got like 800 people watching, and their chat is like blowing up. It's astonishing to me. And all I do is give out winners and stuff. It's like, am I even getting through? The SG's been through about 75 of them, getting a lot of great information. Nice job. See, people are looking through my thing now on, as I mentioned, look, see, this guy's looking through a lot of them now. See, they're all great picks, man. You get a lot of great info. Make a lot of money on those picks. NYMEX Pharmaceuticals moving, NYMX 268 by 70, gap up on 80,000 shares. Let me look at the daily. Could do a crest right there of this 273 and head up right into Heinz $3. NYMEX Pharmaceuticals, we'll leave it on the radar for tomorrow. NYMX, unless it starts moving up into the 90s right now. You know what I'm saying? So guys, traders, and I'm got to set up a new system and so forth. When you've been like trading for a really long time, you're a seasoned pro. There's a lot of things, and you can always learn and get better. I would adapt and keep an open business mind to people that would want to show you how to get bigger and better. Now, you go to play poker and you sit next to these guys that are like sharks. They're like, how do these guys keep on winning? What the hell? They're cheating. What do they do? Oh my gosh. And you think of all these bad things about it, but then they sit there and they take the chips like this and they spin them around and you're like, dude, holy crap. What the hell? How the hell? And then you pick up the chip and you're like, how the hell did he just do that? He just took the chip, he took it down like this, he spun it around and slinging it. What the hell's he got going on like that? See this? What the hell? How the hell is this guy doing this? You know what I'm saying? Let me do a couple of them. Okay. So you're like, damn, he must be at the table a long time. He's got some experience. Because look what he could do with the chips, man. That takes a long time of practice. Got to be in front of the cards a lot. You know, I'm not playing the hand. What do? I don't pick my nose. I'm sitting there twirling my chips. Just like that. And then I do it with my left hand. Like that. See? Left hand's harder, man. It takes a lot of hand. But that's what I do. And then I got all my chips here. I sit here, I do my chips, and then I play. You want to play pokes? I got some Bitcoin too. You want to play some pokes? I got some coins. What, you want some Litecoin? Some Ripple? Some Ethereum? A little Bitcoin. Got that too. That's what we got. Ooh, 2,210 on TV. What are we at, 40? Let me make our move soon. Let me make a next move back up soon. That's what we do. So a lot of great information on my website for everyone to check out. Please go ahead and do that. DMPI, Zynga, Tandem, Shrax, Kerr, Jiva. Oh, this may be the first Jiva that I picked. Yeah, here you go. 2-buy strategy on Jiva, 66 cents. You know what Jiva went from there, guys. Went to $10. Went to $10. Neural Stream did too. So did Tops. Tops tripled. Bitcoin services, see? 6 cents going to add more into 7 and 8. See it at 6 cents? It went to 36 cents after that. Look at the date, November 1st of 2017. BTSC, I don't even think my chart goes back that far. Yeah, it does. You want to check this out? Look at this trade, November 1st. So BTSC, we're going to take the stock at 6, and we're going to add more here at 8. See, it's going to rise up above that. See that? Watch. November 13th, 10 cents. November 20th, 26 cents. November 27th, 63 cents. That's a is that a 1,000 or a 10,000% gain on my pick? Pretty amazing how I picked that, isn't that? See what it looked like here? That was this right here where my mouse is going. See that? Isn't that amazing? And then boom. Amazing. All right, so we have 5,000 TV at 25.93. It's 26.41, waiting for it to move back through 26.50. I wanted to buy Tilray. That's that one. Got Degaz off the bounty. And that's it. So listen, guys, Pro Trader Mike signing off. Oh, I got a new. Ooh, Gary signed up. Wonderful. Gary. G-Man just signed up. He said he was right here. He just got it. Thanks, Gary. Just got your sign up. See, I told you it was the real deal. See? See, he's nervous. He was just watching. I told him what the Heinz was yesterday. Showed him Ameren made $8,000 yesterday. Saw me on YouTube. Told him what the Heinz is, how we do it as it approaches 80, 90, 95. The regular and the mini. Showed him Ameren. He's going to check it out. Thanks for the time and the help. Told him you got to get an avatar. He saw me on the YouTuber. He wants to watch. I told him you can hang out. See that, guys? That's what you got to do. All right, what do we got? And that's about it. So I'm going to be preparing for and I'm going to have a little buffet. I've got amazing partners in the business right now for stocks, crypto trading. I'm going to show you the best ways and accounts to go there, the best cost savings and money leverage and best things you can do there. Forex. Because the fees and I don't know if you know this, guys, and you do know, you buy and it says you made, $28 in commission, $80 in. Look at your ECN fees. The ECN fees are 3 times as much. With Forex and some of these other platforms that have Forex with stocks on them and exchanges that you could trade, there are no fees. And there's more leverage. And there's no pattern day trader crap. So I'm going to be introducing some programs that people have been phallicized that you can trade a small account. You can trade a small account. And you can get the leverage and the power you need to trade currencies and gas, ETF, all these kind of scenarios that you need to make money. That's what I'm going to introduce on my next webinar that I start soon. Look, 2,600 on the TV. It means it's going through 50. See, it is going through 50. Watch how much this jumps right now. I'm selling it in an hour and holding 1,000 shares overnight. I'm up right now for the day, 5,605 and unrealized 2,560. Traders that are out there, ask yourself, what's the longest you've been in an unrealized? I've been in this unrealized trade right here for 3 hours, and I'll still be in it because I don't trade my account. I don't trade the profit. I don't trade the numbers. I trade the price. And at 358, I think the price is going to be approaching the high where it's up 1%. 1% from here puts another 0.5 on there, sends me up to 270, which will be a magnet into $27. Gauge it with UV. UV is going to go through 37, drag up to the high of 37.21 and go higher. So as this goes through 37, my TVIX is going to draw up through 50, 60, 70. One's at mini Hines 50, one is at Hines 37. This is at Hines 37, this is at mini Hines 2650. They're both going to go through. I can guarantee it. You know what's helping me? The Dow's gone from negative 32 to negative 53. The S&P has gone from negative 2.4 to negative 2.87. It's getting worse. And TV's just hanging, ready to make the next big bar up. And that'll pop me another G-bone onto the account. Now, I've been trading for 25 years. I have traders in my room that haven't lost a day in years. Their account is humongous. We only trade, this is all we trade. If you had a $10 million account, you'd only be in 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares. You wouldn't be in more than like 20,000 if you had a $10 million account. You'd be in 1,000 to 20. $1 million account, you wouldn't go more than 10,000 shares. A $500,000 account, or so forth, or a couple hundred G's, you'd be in 1 to 5,000, and that's the so forth. So once you're only buying, once you're at this level, yeah, 5,000 on a small, medium-sized one makes a nice little pop scarino, and you could see it. But once you're in 7 figures and you're adding $2,000 onto it, it really doesn't make a blimp. It goes from 5,735,210 to 5,737,619. Then and then at the end of the year, you're at 5.9 million. And then the next year, you're at 6.8 million, 7.1. And then the next year, you're at 8.2. And then 9.3, and then 5 years later you're broken to 10. That's how it goes, folks. You don't be like, I got as much as I can, I'm going to make as much as. It doesn't work like that. Oh, look, I'm up 3,110. It's at 58. See that? Dow's down 62. I call this Dow tracker technology, where I'm tracking the Dow. And as the Dow depreciates and sells off, which it's easy to do because it went through 50, it makes this stock go higher. So there's no reason to sell it because I'm moving up in rail grind right now on the 15-minute watch. See? I'm approaching 80% on the rail grind. And I'm in rail grind at the peak right now. So I took the chairlift up. We got off skiing. I'm going up on tabletop. I'm airborne right here at 63, 64. Only thing that'll make this come down under 80% is a move under 2640. There it is, 77.80. I told you how it would just go like that and pop up exactly like that. How did I know that would happen, right? Now I'm up 4,210. And if you can't appreciate me guiding you in this kind of trade, no other day trade room does this. No other person you see on YouTube that shows you the video, hey, I'm on the beach right now and I'm away from my house in Boom Bong County and I could make money everywhere, is bullshit, guys. They're all buying stocks. They have thousands and thousands of subscribers and they're giving a long to 50% of them. See, they don't have to tell everyone just to buy it. They have to tell half the people to buy it. The other half, they could tell them to sell it short. They would win on one of them, guaranteed every time, and other people would lose and just keep on being there because they're junkies. That's how the bookies do it. Celtics, LA versus Celtics versus Boston. Beautiful. LA is going to win on the West Coast. Boston's going to win on the East Coast. They can't lose. 26.85. I'm up 4,460, heading into 27 like a machine, like a magic man. Told you it was going to go pop. Next pops right here through 27. Look, not selling a freaking share. Not selling a share. Kept you in all this whole time like it's nothing. Because it is nothing. These other guys that freak out all day and freak out because they're freaks. And this is just too overwhelming, and they don't have a system that enables them to lose the emotion and leave it at the door. And that's why they upload all their videos. I never upload a video. Every one of my videos, all 1,800 of them are live. I've never, ever taken the video from here, put it in my recorder, delete the scenes that I want, and upload it to YouTube. Never. And I never will. I'm like, Craig, right? I'll never take a cent from none of you. I don't care if I win the Nobel Prize. I don't care if I get nominated for Trader of the Year. I won't take 1 cent from anyone. I just want to be left alone. 92, here we go. 93, here we go. Now we're moving into Hines. It's down 70 on the Dow. 94, I'm going to add more right at 27, and then I'm going to sell 7,000 and keep 3. 96. Dow's down 71. We're up 2.2%. You see how I played the percentage and not the stock? I'm selling some here. 3,000. I just sold 3,000. They took it. Did 3,000 go off? Yep, there it is, 2,604. Yep, see that? So I sold 3,000. I'll rebuy it back at 99. Because if it goes down, I'm going to lock this profit in right here. Selling 1,500. Yep, there it is, boys. So I got 500 left. I'm going to rebuy back through 27 and then sell 3,000. There's a signal now at 27. Just because it's made a huge run from 20. $96 by 98. 99. I'm going to pass on the trade. I'm going to take what I got and call it a day. What did I make? 55.19. Made 99.64 on the day. I'm selling. I'll rebuy it back and come visit after the video. Now I'm going to hold this 500. So right here, I'm unrealized 486. I booked $9,964 on the day, and you've seen me do that. Ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing, folks. So listen, have a great day. Thank you for watching Mojo. I'm going to sell this because I want to book myself over 10. I booked 10,440 on the day right there. 10,440. I'm just covering up my account number so you don't see my account number. That's all I did right there, but the other numbers are all right there, what you need to see. So everybody have a great day. Look forward to having you in the Mojo Day Trade room, subscribing to my chat room and my newsletter. You get both of them for $99, and you get my level 2 video for free. So if I give you my level 2 video for free for $99 and hence, after that, and you've paid $99, that's basically getting it for free. So if you come to the MOJO Day Trading, if you're done checking out my shows and my newsletter and checking my statistics, because I got 6 years of them, no one else can do that, come up here to subscribe. And then right here, I'll give you both of them for $99 to try it for 30 days. Access to the stock chat channel, real-time live audio, real-time desktop, nothing delayed by 10 seconds, all scanner alerts, all stock trading education, my weekly swing trade newsletter with the email alerts to your inbox, and my free level 2 video right here as a bonus. So you're basically getting everything for free. Join for $99 a month, or get the best value for $49 a month and join for $588. Look forward to having you in the room as a lifetime subscriber. Pro Trader Mike signing off, everybody. Peace and keep it profitable. Thank you so much.